Hello dear multicellular organisms, welcome back to our zoology class. So we are discussing nutrition and the human digestive system. It is also called gut or alimentary canal or alimentary tract. So we knew human nutrition is holozoic nutrition and the heterotrophic nutrition. So once the food is ingested into the mouth, then digestion process takes place. So here digestion, two types: mechanical digestion, chemical digestion. Chemical digestion in the sense enzymes are participated. So in the mechanical digestion, enzymes are never will be participated. Then what will be participated in the mechanical digestion in the sense, once the food is ingested into the mouth, with the help of teeth, complex food particles will be crushed or chewed or masticated into smaller pieces. So this is known as partial digestion and the mechanical digestion. So crushing or chewing of the food with the help of teeth in the mouth is known as mastication. Due to mastication, finally what will be formed? The slurry mass of food is known as bolus. So this bolus again enters into the stomach through the peristalsis. Wavy movements shown by the bolus in the esophagus known as peristalsis. So here, for this mastication purpose, teeth are highly responsible. So here, teeth are in the human body, especially in adult, 32 in number. Coming to children below 10 years, around 12 or below 10 years age old children, teeth number is 20. So these 20 number of teeth are known as temporary or milk teeth. Coming to the adult stage, the 32 number teeth known as permanent teeth. Teeth in the sense plural, tooth is singular. Scientifically, tooth is known as odont. So study of teeth is called dentology. The biological branch which deals with teeth, study of teeth. So here in adults, these 32 number of teeth are not having same shape and size and structure. So these 32 number of teeth are having different size and shape and structure and function also, because human teeth also known as heterodont. And these teeth are located on the upper and lower jaw, especially in the jaw sockets, because human teeth also known as thecodont. So in the human lifespan in the sense from the birth until the death, the time period is known as lifespan. Human lifespan is around 80 years, 70 years to between 80 years. In olden days, our ancestors' lifespan it was 100 years, because based upon the food habit and environmental factors and everything. So in the lifespan of the human, these teeth are arranged in the form of two sets. Milk teeth are temporary teeth or deciduous teeth, or 32 in number permanent teeth. So here two sets are arranged, because human teeth also known as diffeodont. So different types of teeth in the sense basically four types we knew already: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Their structure and function in one more class we will be discussed. Then coming to the One more special structures called salivary glands. So these salivary glands are 6 in number or 3 pairs. These salivary glands main function is secretion of saliva. Saliva is scientifically is known as salivary juice. Salivary juice is one of the digestive juice. Why? In the sense, this salivary juice will be participated in the digestion, partial digestion or mechanical digestion. In the saliva, special enzyme is present that is called ptyalin. This ptyalin also known as salivary amylase. During the mastication, while formation of the bolus, the ptyalin present in the saliva mix with the bolus and it will be partially acts on carbohydrates and partially digested the carbohydrates into maltose or dextrose etc. simple forms. So this is the first and foremost digestion taken place in the human gut. This is the first digestion. And the two mechanical digestion. Here the enzyme is not completely involving, partially it is involving. So it is also called partial digestion. First digestion, mechanical digestion, and the two partial digestion. Then the bolus is formed. The bolus enters into the esophagus. Through peristalsis it reaches the stomach. So what are the 3 pairs of salivary glands in the sense? The biggest salivary glands pair is known as parotid. Parotid salivary glands. Below the tongue, sublingual salivary glands. And near the junction of the upper and lower jaw, submaxillary or submandibular salivary glands, because based on the upper and lower jaw, maxilla and mandible, here the salivary glands are named submaxillary or submandibular. So these 3 types of salivary glands, per day around 1.5 liters of salivary juice will be secreted. 1.5 liter around. So salivary juice has combinations like mucin. Mucin is responsible for binding the food particles together during the chewing or mastication for the formation of bolus, and water is present and mucus is present, and especially antibacterial enzyme which is present inside the saliva is known as lysozyme. So this lysozyme is present inside the saliva which kills the bacteria. So one more point, here the teeth arrangement in the human jaws is known as dentition. Arrangement of teeth is called dentition. This dentition is represented by one formula that is called dental formula. 2123 by 2123, numerator and denominator. In next class we will be discussed what about that numerator and denominator, and what are the size and shape and structure and function of the different types of, 4 types of teeth, and the structure of teeth also we will be discussed. So here we have discussed till now salivary glands and their function and their types, and teeth and their types, and what is the dentition, what is the dental formula, and what are the types of digestion. One is mechanical and chemical, and different combinations of enzymes present in the saliva. Okay dear students, so in our one more video we will meet with one more beautiful topic. Till then everybody take care, good luck.